Hello, I'm Leon. Today I recommend a KNX Smart 4-inch central panel. Sleek, compact design. Easy to operate. Built-in. Temperature and humidity. Illuminance. Proximity sensor. Timer logic. Password lock. Multi-language switching. Adopt standard KNX protocol. USB upgrades supported. Smooth page navigation. Light dimming. Curtain control. Adjustable color temperature, and more. Custom space locations and labels upon request. Standard 86 box. Flush mount. Simple install. For project and home use. Fits homes, hotels and commercial projects. One screen. Control your smart home. Excellent performance and look. If you want to know more product details, welcome to leave a message or send us a private message.